Hey Team V.
Hey Team V! Today we are continuing our space unit and we are talking about space. And what is up in the sky that we see during the day?
The sun.
The sun! So we've been talking a lot about the sun, and the sun is super cool. It's our star. We are going to make space sun catchers that look like planets. It'll be out of this world.
I get it.
All you need is some wax paper, some crayons. What's this?
The pencil sharpener.
Careful, it's sharp. Pencil sharpener. You never put your fingers inside a pencil sharpener, okay?
Yeah.
The adults are going to need a cloth, a dishcloth or a towel, and an iron on a low heat. This is for adults only, not kids. And what's that?
My scissors. My scissors.
If you want to hang your planets up on the window, you can just tape them on with some Scotch tape. Or when you're done, you can punch a hole right in them and you can hang them even from the sky. All right, let's do this!
All right, Team V.
All right, Team B, so we have shaved a whole bunch of crayons. Let's go through the colors. We have
Orange, purple, blue,
That's black, yeah.
yellow,
This is dark gray.
dark gray, green, red, white.
Yeah, and we have two colors of red here. So now, friends, you can choose to make planets like real planets that you know, like Mars and Earth and Uranus, or you can make your own planets, like new ones from a new dimension or a new galaxy. And
Like Spider-Verse?
we could imagine there's a Spider-Verse planets, or you could imagine there's Star Wars planets, or maybe there are Valentine's Day planets.
Maybe there are Clone Wars planets.
Clone Wars planets. Maybe there's a unicorn world. I don't know. So what kind of planets do you want to make, Leo?
Wait a minute. Maybe you would make a Mickey Mouse planet.
Maybe.
A banana planet.
So we're gonna take our wax paper. We're gonna pull out a sheet, tear it off, fold it in half, because you're gonna need to sandwich the crayons between the two sheets of wax paper. Now I'm gonna unfold it. Now, on one side only, Leo, you're going to sprinkle colors. So grab one color at a time and sprinkle it where you want it. So friends, you want to imagine that we're going to be cutting them out like this. Okay, so you want to be imagining what you want to put on that spot. Okay, so you want that one to have some yellow. Oh, a few more. Oops, sorry about that.
Put that over and then iron it.
That's right. Put this over gently and slowly so I don't knock Leo's designs. Now, friends, and this is a part for appearance. I'm just gonna scoot Leo over. Can you scoot, scoot, scoot? A little bit more with your body. Scoot, scoot, scoot. This is the part where an adult does it. You're going to get a cloth and you're going to put it on top.
And then you iron it.
Then you iron it.